Hey guys, this is our letters and sounds, page 41 for the letter G. All right. Remember, our G was for our goat friends who got out of the pasture and they chased Miss Hendry and they ran back in and got some water and they said, "Guh, guh, guh, guh," drinking that water all up. So for your letter G, you're going to make your C stroke and then a push across. Lowercase g, you make a ball with a monkey tail. C around, and then you do a push across, a ball, go up and then come down with a monkey stroke. So a C, then a push across, a ball with a monkey tail. G is for goose, g, garden, g, gate, g, girl, g, green, g, glasses. All right, sweet friends.